This video will be showing you how to navigate your control panel. Here you can see the different possible screens and how to navigate out of them. The only tab you'll need to adjust is the Input-Output tab denoted by I/O. Each of these numbers is linked to an outlet where the function is plugged in. The color of the circle shows the status, green for on and red for off. Farms may have different numbers for different functions, but when clicked, each number should be labeled. We recommend having a code cheat sheet, such as this one, with a number, system function, and default setting listed. We also suggest using it to mark any function that is adjusted, which will help remind farmers to correct the settings before they leave. Here's an example of this being used. As you can see here, this farmer almost forgets, but she sees on the sheet that she marked the main pump because during her harvest she turned it off. This sheet will make sure the settings stay consistent while allowing the farmers to adjust conditions best suited to the farm's activities. Thanks for watching and happy farming!